How to manage your stream chat appearance on Twitch. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your stream chat appearance. So all what you have to do, go here in the top, go down to settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Click on channel and videos, go down here to stream manager, and now all what you have to do is go down to my chat, click on settings and click here on chat appearance, and you will be able, as you can see, to change the text size and many other options, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.